Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in Worldox. Have you ever wanted to allow users to mark a document to delete, but you don't really want them to delete it permanently? A lot of times we set up Worldox so that users are allowed to delete items to the salvage bin, but they're not allowed to permanently delete items or, shred items. Maybe you just want them to be able to delete an item or mark it as deleted, but they still have access to it just in case they do that by mistake. Because if they send it to the salvage bin, they might not have rights to get it back or to restore it. They have to get a manager to do that. And maybe a manager wants to monitor those documents and can do a quick list on all of the delete items that are marked to delete. I'm going to show you how you can flag those using document types. What we do is we create a document type called delete, and then we can sort those lists and we can filter through. So let me show you how that works. So I'm in my document type list. I can get to that just by going into a matter and then clicking on the doc type list. And I'm going to add a new doc type. Now this is probably going to be locked down as well. So you will need to be a manager or have rights to be able to add this delete doc type. But I'm going to add one. I'm going to call it delete. I'm going to then just call it delete over here and save that. And so now I've got a new doc type called delete. So when a user wants to delete a document, I'm going to go out here for this license test and we're just going to grab this. And if I want to just have this flag to delete, normally I could just hit my little delete key if I've got rights to do that. And it would go to the salvage bin. Again, I won't have rights. I won't be able to restore that if I accidentally mark that one or send it to the salvage bin. Or maybe I had multiples and I didn't mean to send one of those to the salvage bin. Well, using the delete doc type, if instead of just hitting delete, I just go ahead and open this document and to edit the profile. So I'm just going to click on edit profile. I'm just going to do the one that I have checked. I can come in and change this document type to my delete document type and save it, just hit my update key, and now that one is ready to be deleted. I can then sort my list by the doc type. Right now I'm not showing doc type on here, but I can add it real quick. So we'll insert a column for our doc type, and let me get into my field here, and we will add the doc type code. And so now I've got that selection here. I can even sort on that, or I could search. I could come over here to my search button. I could search all doc types of delete, and then I can select all those and move them to the salvage bin. Or I can just look at all of those to see which ones I wanted to delete. Maybe I didn't mean to check that one as a delete. I really do need that license test. I can still get to it by sorting on that list or searching, find that one, and I can just go in and change the doc type back to something else. So I'm going to edit that profile again. I'm going to change it back to licensing info, and I'm going to update that. Now it's back on my list. So I've never really deleted anything. I've just flagged it as a delete that then later on either a manager can go ahead and do it or I can get back into it and restore it. And this could be something you set up on your monthly maintenance or, have somebody be in charge of checking those deleted items. It's just very easy to just go in and apply it. I also can do that to multiples. I select all of these and I edit the profile for all of them. I can change that doc type to delete for multiples as well. So I can delete a whole group, a whole bunch of documents at once and mark them to delete and then go ahead and later officially delete them. So it's a temporary delete, we'll call it. So I hope this eBite's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to give us a call or visit our website. Thanks.